In this video, let's talk about how to fix the Telegram login code not received. So if you're trying to log into your Telegram account and if the code is not getting received, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can check is try to check your country code. Sometimes what happens is you enter or select this wrong country code, and this is the exact reason that you're facing. So make sure you double check your country code as well as check your phone number. But however, if this is not the case for you, what you will likely see is a option which says didn't get the code. So if you're trying to receive the code via your SMS, you can also try the voice call option. By doing this second step, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the app of Telegram from your device and then again re-download. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also now be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.